January 22nd, 2016. And as you can see, they're still spraying. Same spot. We've got tons of chemtrails over here. At least 4 or 5. I don't even know how many are right there. Could be like 10. And it's interesting how hot it is here today compared to the East Coast and the mid-Atlantic states where there's a blizzard going on right now. It's about 82 degrees here right now. Definitely not blizzard conditions. It almost feels like it's spring or real early summer. And obviously that's not normal for towards the end of January. Every year it just seems to get a little bit hotter. Pretty soon we won't even have a winter here. And it's all from these people spraying and all the weather manipulation. The EMF stimulation of the atmosphere, etc. I think every time I've come out here I've seen at least 1 or 2 planes spraying actively. I'll make a video a little bit later, guys.